the building and expansion of the hospital.
Okay.
Na eba saa kwan so a the hospital facility no na ehu behia se ba bi wo ho a ye bebie ebebiem ye wo se ye mbudan bi na ye nye extension a wo se ye nye na ntumi mwa na ntumi accommodate to more people. On say ya na grieving concern about overcrowding.
Yeah.
Say nipa a good word we no a doso nti ama ebi mu ehun kone ba bebre. Nti ye hye eye kasa no anase nkomo say free the building expansion of the hospital project no. Beka say eye Dr. Kwesi wa ahio Ghana fo nyina say eye project bia eye stored project e o confirm not bia no. In fact, obewie.
Okay.
Obewie stored project ni na.
Okay.
Project are the SY a year CU or Shasie a year ya we free so no. Or say ordinance Sabeka obewie sa project ni na.
Wow.
Ye na ye name the former CU project bi o ho ana o Shasie ye ne hu nkone aba on say Excellency John Dramani Mahama kwade atuja say in fact ono na ban no aban we no one of your legacy projects by the continuation of other projects from the previous government.
Yeah.
So adena yentua ana Dr. Kwesi die onua o appointing no one tua one more man research agenda and so by also completing a year the abandoned project. So